Welcome back. Deploying the Horizon agent. Take the snapshot. Once done, why take the snapshot? Is that mandate? Yes, it is. I'll let you know when we are going to configure the instant clone desktop pool. Right now, let's install the agent. I already copied the setup file in my C drive, new folder, and over here, Omnisa Horizon agent. Say yes. Make sure your ID have the admin permission for the installation. Say next. IP version 4 for me. If it is 6, it is 6 for you. Next. Instant clone agent that we need to look at. If you select this one, instant clone will not going to work. So this should be okay. So next. Automatic restart system once successful completion. Check that. Install. Very simple installation. And of course, maybe you have seen, if you are Citrix administrator, maybe you would have to have the question like, why we are not putting the what the Horizon connection server FQDN name while installing the agent. This is not very similar what we have in Citrix environment. While installing the VDA, the virtual delivery agent, we have to put the delivery controller name right over there, but in our case in here that is not required. Okay, 1 2 3, we need to confirm that the agent is installed. Go to app which looks fine, right? It is installed. Now we need to take the snapshot. For that, I'm going to power this off. Right click, snapshot, take the snapshot, say that agent installed, create. Go to snapshot tab, agent installed. The snapshot is created. We are good to go. Let's see you next video.